आप पक्षाची बिरेस्तारा पत्रकार परिशद जाली. पीडीएचो कारभार ज्या रितीन चलता त्या रितीन ते कांयच करिनात. तांचो कारभार थंडपणान चल्ला. गोंयांत आसा त्योच पीडीए चलना आनी पीडीएची गरज ना म्हण आप पक्षाचो निमंत्रक एल्विस गोम्स उलयला. आप पक्षान बिरेस्तारा पीडीएच्या कारभाराचेर निशेध व्यक्त केला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Initially, when the PDS came into existence, Goa is a very small place. Town and Country Planning Department was overseeing all the planning. They are not even taking the local bodies, as Dean has said. Under the 73rd Amendment, 74th Amendment, these functions, if you are not taking the local bodies into consideration, at least there should be some integration. You are neither doing planning nor you are doing any development. You show me, anybody can show us one single development, a plan or a development that has been done by the PDS. They are taking a huge amount of money from developers. Why there is intense fight to be on the PDA? Why it is given as a SOP? Everybody knows it. There is only one point agenda in the whole PDA functioning. So in the light of this, you are having one side regional plan. Then you are having multiple PDAs. Then you are having your investment promotion board that can supersede everything. It is completely a chaotic manner in which the planning and development function is carried out in this state. We are opposed to this. There is nothing, the municipalities are aware. You ask any chairperson or any councillor of any municipality or any punch whether they are aware of what is happening in their own area. Plans are approved by persons who are not even elected. They are not responsible to the people. Those approved plans are brought before the municipality or the panchayat and the development process starts. Then the fighting starts in the Gram Sabhas. All these things can be avoided if everybody, all stakeholders are on a common platform when these kind of proposals are brought before them. Therefore, we are opposed to multiple PDAs.